choosing the best garage door opener enhances convenience, security, and functionality for your home. Top options include smart features for remote control, voice integration, and compatibility with various garage setups. Quiet motors, reliability, and easy installation make these openers essential for modern living. Number 1. Chamberlain Smart Garage Door Opener. The Chamberlain Smart Garage Door Opener brings peace of mind with features designed to simplify your life. Say goodbye to the nagging thought, "Did I shut the garage?" With the free MyQ app, you can check and control your garage door from anywhere using your iPhone or Android device. This innovative device works seamlessly with Amazon Key in garage delivery, ensuring your packages are secure and protected. Family and friends can be granted temporary or ongoing access while you're on the go, making it perfect for shared households or accommodating visitors. Set schedules to ensure your garage door is closed at night, eliminating any late-night worries. Compatibility is broad, supporting most garage door openers manufactured after 1993 with photoelectric sensors. However, it excludes certain models, like Chamberlain Group openers with yellow learn buttons, 2010, 2021, or those with power-changing sensors. Installation is straightforward with Bluetooth connectivity, and it requires a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and a router within 50 feet for optimal operation. With the option to control a second door using an additional sensor, sold separately, the Chamberlain Smart Garage Opener is a convenient and secure upgrade for any sectional garage door. Simplify your daily routine and gain peace of mind with this smart solution. Number 2. Genie Smart Garage Door Opener. The Genie Stealth Drive Connect Smart Garage Door Opener offers the perfect combination of convenience, strength, and quiet operation. Its compatibility with Amazon Key in garage delivery ensures secure package delivery directly inside your garage, offering peace of mind for your online orders. With integrated Aladdin Connect technology, you can monitor and control your garage door from anywhere using your smartphone. This opener features a powerful 1¼ HPC DC motor and a steel-reinforced belt drive, making it exceptionally quiet, ideal for garages attached to bedrooms or nurseries. Even during power outages, the built-in battery backup ensures uninterrupted operation, providing reliability when you need it most. Installation is a breeze thanks to the lightweight 5-piece rail system, which snaps together without requiring additional hardware. For added simplicity, the device is compatible with BILT Intelligent 3D interactive instructions, making assembly even more straightforward. Designed for residential sectional garage doors up to 7 feet high and 500 pounds, it can accommodate 8-foot doors with the EKTB extension kit, sold separately. The Genie Stealth Drive Connect is a reliable, easy-to-use, and robust solution for modernizing your garage while ensuring smooth and quiet performance for years to come. Number 3. Ekyro Smart Garage Door Opener. The Ekyro Smart Garage Door Opener is a practical and budget-friendly solution for enhancing your garage functionality and security. Offering peace of mind, it ensures your garage is never left open for extended periods. Scheduled checks can automatically verify if the door is closed, and if left open, it can notify you or even close the door automatically. This device is incredibly versatile, compatible with single or multi-stall garages, and allows you to add more openers as your needs grow. Each garage door requires its own Ekyro Smart Garage Door Opener, but the system's scalability ensures it adapts to your setup seamlessly. Installation is straightforward, making it suitable for DIY enthusiasts. With no hidden fees or additional charges for premium features, you unlock the full potential of the device immediately upon purchase. Plus, future upgrades and features are included at no extra cost, ensuring your investment remains valuable over time. The Ekyro Smart Garage Door Opener provides reliable control and automation without breaking the bank, making it an excellent choice for homeowners looking for a simple, effective way to modernize their garage. It's a smart, hassle-free option for keeping your garage secure and convenient. Number 4. Meross Smart Garage Door Opener. The Meross Smart Garage Door Opener is an excellent addition to any smart home, offering convenience and enhanced security. With the Meross app, you can remotely control your garage door from anywhere with internet access. Let in family, guests, or delivery couriers with ease, all without incurring monthly or subscription fees. It works exclusively on 2.4 GHz networks, ensuring stability in operation. Voice control integration makes this opener even more user-friendly, as it is compatible with Apple HomeKit, Siri, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and even CarPlay. Hands-free operation is perfect for when you're busy or on the move. With support for over 200 brands, its wide compatibility ensures it works with most garage doors, and Meross offers personalized support for compatibility issues. The device is equipped with a high-sensitivity sensor, providing precise monitoring of your garage door status. Users can access operation history and receive alerts for open-close events, overtime notifications, and overnight reminders, helping keep your home secure. Installation is straightforward, with plenty of online resources and support available. The Meross Smart Garage Door Opener offers robust functionality, reliability, and ease of use, making it a great choice for upgrading your garage with smart capabilities. Number 5. Topens Automatic Gate Opener. The Topens PW502 Automatic Gate Opener is a reliable and versatile solution for automating dual swing gates, backed by over 25 years of expertise in gate automation. Equipped with two stable 24V DC 50W motors, it effortlessly handles gates weighing up to 550 pounds. Or 16 feet in length per leaf, making it ideal for residential areas, courtyards, ranches, and farms. Its ultra-quiet operation enhances convenience and comfort for homeowners. Installation is simple and requires only basic tools. The system supports both inward and outward gate movement, pull to open or push to open for added flexibility. The opener is designed with safety and security in mind, featuring advanced Topens code technology to prevent unauthorized access, an obstacle detection system with stop and reverse functionality, and an auto-close feature to secure your property. Additional features like soft start and soft stop help prolong motor lifespan, while a manual release key ensures operation during power outages. Power options include direct AC connection, battery backup, not included, or solar panel, not included, offering adaptability for various setups. With a 12-month warranty, 30-day return policy, and robust customer support, the Topens PW502 offers a smart, durable, and customizable solution for modern gate automation needs.